Building forms in WordPress shouldn't be complicated or expensive. Meet HT Contact Form, a powerful, completely free drag-and-drop form builder with dozens of field types and a growing library of integrations. Let me show you what it can do. The form builder runs on a modern React interface. No page reloads, no lag. Just drag fields from the left panel, drop them onto your form, and configure settings on the right. You get all the essentials: text, email, dropdowns, checkboxes, plus advanced fields like repeaters, chained selects, a full rich text editor, signature capture, star ratings, NPS scores, and even file and image uploads. Need users to finish a long form later? The Save and Resume feature gives them a unique link to pick up right where they left off. With conditional logic, you can show or hide fields based on what users select, making your forms dynamic and clean. Smart tags let you insert dynamic data into your email notifications and integrations. Use them to include form field values in email subjects, route notifications to the right recipient, or pass data to services like MailChimp and HubSpot automatically. HT Contact Form connects to all your favorite services out of the box, completely free. Send leads to MailChimp, HubSpot, or Zoho CRM. Get notified on Slack or Discord, push entries to Notion or Trello, and with Zapier and custom webhooks, you can connect to virtually anything. Each integration has simple field mapping. Just connect your API key and map your form fields. Spam is handled with 5 layers of protection: honeypot fields, minimum submit time, reCAPTCHA version 2 and 3, HCAPTCHA, plus IP and country-based restrictions. Your inbox stays clean. Every submission is stored right in your WordPress dashboard. Search, filter, mark as read. Manage everything from one place. When you need your data elsewhere, export entries as CSV, Excel, ODS, or JSON with a single click. The built-in form styler lets you customize colors, fonts, borders, and spacing per form. No CSS needed. Embed your forms anywhere with a Gutenberg block, Elementor widget, or a simple shortcode. Dozens of premium features, zero cost. From advanced logic to seamless integrations, HT Contact Form gives you the ultimate power to grow your business for free. Don't settle for less. Get started with HT Contact Form today.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.